What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today I'm going to show you what I'm prepping for for next season, for when I start my seeds, to make sure that everything goes well. What I'm going to need is a little toilet brush, brand new from the dollar store, and some dish soap. So I added about a teaspoon or so of dish soap to around a gallon of water, and I have my seed starting pots. I'm just going to drop them in. Dunk the brush. Clean the inside and the outside of them. Don't forget to subscribe down below, leave me a comment. Let me know down below if you use seed start trays like this. These are Bootstrap Farmers seed trays, or if you just buy starts from the store. So there's what I have so far. I still have those to do, and then the trays that they sit in. So I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, the cells are all cleaned up. I'm going to go take them now and rinse them off. I'm just going to drop this cell into the water and then rinse them off with my hose. Just drop them off to the side. So first, I'm just cleaning the front part, and I'll clean the back part, and then I'll go into each cell. Okay, I'm going to finish these other ones up and I'll bring you right back. Just rinsing everybody off now. So now the tray and the cells are all cleaned up, and I just have the bottom watering tray to finish up. for coming along and joining me today as I cleaned up my gear so it'll be ready to start seeds for next spring. This is the little kind of prep work that you need to do to ensure that you have a good growing season. There won't be any fungus, bacteria, mold on these. I'm going to allow them to air dry, and then I'm going to pack them up and put them away for the season. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.